Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into a topic that's straight out of a sci-fi novel but is very much a part of our reality now. Have you seen those cars driving around without anyone behind the wheel? It's not magic, it's cutting-edge technology at work. They're called driverless cars, and they're changing the way we think about transportation. Imagine a world where you can sit back, relax, and let the car do all the driving for you. More and more, these cars are popping up on streets around the world. From bustling urban centers to quiet suburban neighborhoods, driverless cars are making their presence known. Driverless cars might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but the technology is here now, and it's evolving rapidly, promising to revolutionize the way we travel. They use a combination of cool technologies like artificial intelligence, sensors, and machine learning. These systems work together seamlessly to create a safe and efficient driving experience. These technologies work together to help the car see, think, and navigate without a human driver. Pretty neat, right? But how exactly do they do it? Let's break it down. First, there are sensors like LiDAR, radar, and cameras. These devices act as the car's eyes, constantly scanning the environment to detect obstacles, traffic signals, and other vehicles. The data collected by these sensors is then processed by sophisticated AI software. This software analyzes the information in real time, making split-second decisions to ensure a smooth and safe journey. Machine learning algorithms play a crucial role here. They allow the car to learn from past experiences and improve its performance over time. The more data the car collects, the smarter it becomes. Driverless cars are designed to handle a variety of conditions, from heavy traffic to adverse weather. They can adapt to different scenarios, making them incredibly versatile. Imagine the convenience. No more worrying about parking, no more dealing with traffic jams, and no more designated drivers. Driverless cars offer a glimpse into a future where transportation is effortless and accessible to everyone. As we move forward, the integration of driverless cars into our daily lives will continue to grow. Cities will evolve to accommodate these vehicles, and our transportation systems will become more efficient and sustainable. The journey of driverless cars is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. With ongoing advancements in technology, who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. So buckle up and stay tuned as we explore more about this fascinating technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the future. So what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? In simple terms, AI is like giving a computer a brain. It allows computers to learn and make decisions like humans do. Think of it like teaching a computer to ride a bike. At first, it needs instructions and makes mistakes. In a driverless car, AI acts as the driver. It processes information from the car's sensors and makes decisions about steering, braking, and accelerating. It's like having an invisible chauffeur behind the wheel. Now, how does the car see the world around it? Imagine driving through a bustling city with pedestrians crossing the streets, cyclists weaving through traffic, and other vehicles moving in every direction. For a driverless car to navigate safely and efficiently, it needs to be aware of all these elements. This is where the magic of sensors comes into play. That's where sensors come in. These sophisticated devices are meticulously installed on the car to ensure it can perceive its environment accurately. Each sensor has a specific role, contributing to the car's overall understanding of its surroundings. Sensors are like the car's eyes and ears. They gather crucial data, which is then processed by the car's onboard computer to make real-time decisions. This data includes everything from the speed and distance of nearby objects to the layout of the road ahead. They collect information about the car's surroundings, like the position of other cars, lane markings, and traffic signals. This information is vital for the car to make informed decisions, such as when to change lanes, stop at a red light, or yield to a pedestrian. There are different types of sensors used in driverless cars. Each type of sensor has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and they all work together to provide a comprehensive view of the environment. Cameras capture images of the road and surroundings. They are particularly good at recognizing visual details such as road signs, traffic lights, and lane markings. High-resolution cameras can even detect subtle changes in the environment, like a pedestrian stepping off the curb. Radar uses radio waves to detect objects and measure their distance and speed. This technology is especially useful in poor visibility conditions such as fog or heavy rain, where cameras might struggle. Radar can accurately track the movement of other vehicles, ensuring the car maintains a safe distance. LiDAR uses lasers to create a three-dimensional map of the environment. By emitting laser pulses and measuring the time it takes for them to bounce back, LiDAR can generate detailed, high-resolution maps. This allows the car to understand the exact shape and size of objects around it, from other vehicles to trees and buildings. All these sensors work together to give the car a complete picture of its surroundings. The data from cameras, radar, and LiDAR is integrated to form a cohesive understanding of the environment. This synergy allows the car to navigate complex scenarios, avoid obstacles, and ensure the safety of its passengers and those around it. The future of transportation is here, and it's driven by the power of sensors. Remember how we talked about computers learning? It's a fascinating process that has revolutionized many aspects of our lives. That's where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, or AI, that focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that instead of following a set of predefined instructions, the computer uses statistical techniques to identify patterns in the data and improve its performance over time. It's like teaching a dog a new trick through repetition and rewards. Just as a dog learns to sit or fetch by being rewarded for the correct behavior, a machine learning model improves by being trained on large amounts of data and receiving feedback on its performance. Driverless cars use machine learning to improve their driving skills over time. These vehicles are equipped with a variety of sensors and cameras that collect data about their surroundings, such as the position of other cars, pedestrians, and obstacles. Every mile they drive, every traffic situation they encounter, generates data that is used to refine their algorithms. This data is then processed and analyzed to identify patterns and make predictions about future driving scenarios. This helps them become better at recognizing patterns, predicting behaviors, and making safe driving decisions. For example, by analyzing data from thousands of miles of driving, a driverless car can learn to recognize the subtle cues that indicate a pedestrian is about to step into the street or that another car is about to change lanes. The process of machine learning involves several steps. First, data is collected and pre-processed to remove any noise or irrelevant information. Next, the data is used to train a machine learning model, which involves adjusting the model's parameters to minimize the error between its predictions and the actual outcomes. Once the model is trained, it is tested on new data to evaluate its performance. If the model performs well, it can be deployed in a real-world application such as a driverless car. However, the learning process doesn't stop there. The model continues to learn and improve as it encounters new data and receives feedback on its performance. This continuous learning process is what allows driverless cars to become safer and more reliable over time. By learning from every mile they drive, these vehicles can adapt to new and unexpected situations, making them a promising technology for the future of transportation. As machine learning technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will transform the way we live and work. From healthcare to finance to transportation, the possibilities are endless. So the next time you see a driverless car on the road, remember that it's not just a car, it's a learning machine, constantly improving and evolving with every mile it travels. Safety is a top priority when it comes to driverless cars. These vehicles are equipped with multiple layers of safety features to ensure the well-being of passengers and others on the road. Emergency braking systems can automatically apply the brakes to avoid or mitigate collisions. Lane keeping assist helps keep the car centered in its lane, preventing unintentional drifting. Adaptive cruise control adjusts the car's speed to maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. These features work together to create a safety net for autonomous driving. While driverless cars offer exciting possibilities, there are still some challenges to overcome before they become commonplace. One challenge is improving their ability to handle adverse weather conditions like snow, heavy rain, and fog. These conditions can interfere with the car's sensors, making it difficult to perceive the environment accurately. Another challenge is ensuring cybersecurity. As with any computer system, driverless cars are vulnerable to hacking, which could have serious consequences. The widespread adoption of driverless cars has the potential to revolutionize our lives in many ways. One of the most significant impacts could be on road safety. Since human error is a major factor in most accidents, driverless cars could make our roads much safer. They could also improve traffic flow, reduce congestion, and provide mobility options for people who are unable to drive themselves. The future of driverless cars is filled with exciting possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated sensors, more intelligent AI, and even faster data processing speeds. This will lead to safer, more efficient, and more capable driverless cars. We might even see driverless trucks, buses, and delivery vehicles, transforming the transportation and logistics industries. Driverless cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy, they are becoming a reality. With the rapid pace of technological advancement, we can expect to see more and more driverless cars on our roads in the coming years. While challenges remain, the potential benefits of this technology are too significant to ignore. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride of the future.